Yo, bitches, what's up? So I haven't done that in a while. Usually I would, in my smaller beds, I would always cuss, believe it or not, at you guys. So you guys understand you're not fully subbed, that you're not the only ones I'm doing this for. Assholes. And it's been a couple days since I last played.
Center the camera, tap L1.
Yeah, rather not. Oh, shit, he got fucking owned. Oh, yeah, we got shotgun equipped. Ah. So, I remember a lot of stuff now. I remember we had to rescue Clank. No. Clank. I don't know why I just messed up his name. Wow, this is fun. I don't like it and I hate it. Shotgun range, shotgun range, shotgun range. Bam! Bam! Hey, bitch. Oh, that was fast. It's easy, fast, and a full way. Okay. You can't have a least amount of stuff to drop. I guess it's equivalent to the original amount. I don't know. So let's see, what have I been doing? Been lazy. As proven as when I just kind of ignore it. That was close. As proven when I kind of just ignore everything you guys. Just kind of ignore you guys forever. Aww. Whoop, doop, 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 doop. And is something wrong, my fellow robots? Okay, I don't like using that. It's gonna take forever to kill those things. Oh shit, 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 shit. Ow. Shit. I'm sorry. Oh. And shut up. Shut up. Okay, that was huh. Ha. I made it. So you gotta use those blocks to make platforms for yourself because you're apparently bad at jumping. Oh. Okay, whatever. Could have swore you used that to... whatever. Okay, that was close. Yo, man, move. Oh. Damn, you got on, bitch. Oh, man. I love the shotgun in this game. I can't tell if it's a pump action or just a semi-auto. Okay, so I got $20,000, $2,100. Man, I remember when I played this like 3 months ago. My God, did I get my ass kicked by that guy? I died. I think I did quite a bit in this level actually. I was so like rusty at this game when I played this again. So the fact that I played it about 3 months ago, beforehand, before I started this, was a little helpful. Also, late happy Halloween, people. Ah, whatever. Fuck you. So yes, it was Halloween yesterday. I didn't do anything for it. I just kind of stayed home like I usually do. Too lazy to actually do anything with Flash Mirror. No, yeah. I think how accurate that thing is. Like seriously, that's like right on the dot. Come heal my pretties. I can't. There you go. Yep, there we go. So I haven't been recording as much as you probably noticed, mostly because I can't even speak to my own fucking plant. Most because shit happens, stuff comes by, people come by, I get annoyed, yada yada blah blah, boo ba doo ba doo. I'll keep that right there for now. Yeah. Sadly enough, those bolts are gone. Where do I put this? Right here, I think. You have to ask, it's because I just love doing that. Look at that. The guy's like, aw, that's it, look, let me go! Fucking prick. But then it's like, never. Well, damn it, damn it. What is this? Shotgun rain controls all of pain. Shotgun rain with my gun, which looks like stupid duper day. Oh, it does have to stop. I know I've not been paying attention when it stops or goes whenever I move it. Close enough. Bloop, bloop. Let's see. I think this is actually when we get control of Clank for the first time. I could be completely wrong, but yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Shotgun rain. Y'all ain't gonna face up my Kurt Cobain in hell. Bam. Oh shit! Ah! Look at that. Ah, damn it. Hit him. Also, as usual, because how the thing works, man, I was gonna wall jump my way to victory.
Clank? Okay, Clank, don't move. I'm coming down. Whoa! Son of a quark! All right, buddy, let's get you up and running again.
I was drinking my pop, not getting much drunk by this. Let's see. Oh shit! 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 I'm the windmill.
Final digit of pi is... Clank?
Aw.
Clank, can you hear me? Ratchet? Where are we? I must have dozed off. Don't sweat. Let's just find a way out of here. I believe that air duct may offer our only way out.
Oh, okay. Now we can play as this little bastard, who is, I think, a lot more enjoyable in this game than the first game, especially on the ear.
Jump, then hold X while in midair.
Buddies! Fuck you. Fuck. Hey man, what's up? Man, he's still lazy, man, looks like. Bust open, bust open, I don't care. I know how to do this. We've seen it in the first game, we know how to do it in the second game. Apparently not mine. I didn't feel like going all the way over to him just to grab him. So I'm gonna go over here. Come here, adorable little bastard. No, I must leave my kids. Whoop. Am I missing something? Is there a builder over here I just didn't notice? Yep.
Bridge bot acquired. Use it to build bridges across gaps.
Thank you. Ah. He is purple. I think the other guy's orange. He's stuck. Aw. Damn it. Hey, fun there. Cool. Oh, which reminds me. Whatcha?
Bot acquired. Use it to lift large blocks.
I never would have guessed. Right now I'm cracking my neck. Do yellow. Oh, it is orange. I knew there was an orange one. I didn't know what color that was. Which one that was, though. Good job, Sosa. Ah. Ah. Ha-ha, bitch. Still said bridge. Showboating. You assholes! Ah, la 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 la. Retract. Huh, how do you retract the bridge? There we go. Mini dudes, enter!
This door requires microbots to open it.
I already did that. Select. Oh, it's always saying select, yeah.
Go, Clank.
Yeah.
Do it. You did great. Now,
Let's
go
get to
that
that server dock. Oh, I guess Clank only has one knife? Wouldn't help me?
To jump long distances, run.
Yep.
All missions completed on this planet. Search other planets for available missions.
I don't want to. Stuck.
Clank also comes with a thruster pack option. The thruster pack has the same moves as the helipack, except it uses rocket propulsion.
Wait. There. Aww. No! Damn it. Did I get that already? I didn't? Aww. Be a moonshine, man. Feel your cheating all that shit. I think I know what that is too. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I used the rock with propulsion the entire game. It was the first time. If you're watching this instead for some reason. Nah. Oh, I bought that. Nah. I don't need a sniper. Not yet, anyways. Oh shit, that was close. Forgot he doesn't do that jumping. He just shoots forward. Let's go to vocal kind of blue. I think this is where I am in my other load. I think I came back here to get Clank. Or I quit. I don't remember what I was doing. Or I died. I don't remember which one happened on that planet. I know some shit happened. I don't remember. So let's continue off where we are. We are in planet something, and we're about to discover The Desert Riders, okay, so I was right when I was up to say that. Man, I'm not that far away from 2400 now. Holy crap, I'll be right back.